Hello everyone. Today we will see question number 4 on words. Read the examples, look at the changes, then change all the sentences in the same way. We will see first example. Radha said to John, "What are you doing?" So answer will be Radha asked John what he was doing. So you all can see the changes. Said has changed into asked and there is no TO2 as well. Now let's see another example. Miss Das said to Mr. Rao, "When are the children coming?" So the answer will be Miss Das asked Mr. Rao when the children were coming. Said has again changed into asked and are has changed into were. Monodeep said to Kumar, "Which school do you go to?" So the answer is Monodeep asked Kumar which school he went to. You can see the changes. Which school do you go to? Which school he went to? Go has changed into went. Are has changed into were. So like this you have to do changes in all the sentences. Let's see few questions. Let's see question number B. Betty said to John, "When are the people arriving?" So the answer will be Betty asked John, or I'd say Joan, when the people were arriving. Again, I'm repeating the answer of this question number B. Betty asked Joan when the people were arriving. Now let's see question number F. Mrs. Shah said to Prem, "What do you want? Why do you want a rupee?" So the answer will be Mrs. Shah asked Prem why he wanted a rupee. Again, I am repeating the answer of question number F. Mrs. Shah asked Prem why he wanted a rupee. Let's see question number J. Anu said to Prem, "Who are the children playing football?" So the answer will be Anu asked Prem who the children playing football were. Again, I am repeating the answer. Anu asked Prem who the children playing football were. Like this, you have to practice. Now, let's see question number 5. Read aloud. Dick is digging. So here few words are given. You have to practice it. Dick, dig, dig, dig. Bag, 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 bag. Like this. You can use these words in your sentences as well. She sank very quickly. She sang very quickly. You can see sank, sang. Put it in the bag. Put it in the bag. Bag, bag. So hope you are getting. I think that something is wrong. Dick carried the bag on his back. Bag, bag. So if you all practice all these words in your sentences, then it will enhance your sentence formation quality. Now let's see question number 6. Revision. Change the sentences beginning with "tell me." I think many of you have already done in previous chapters. Which class are you in? Then answer will be tell me which class you are in. Who is the girl? Tell me who the girl is. Let's see question number B. Which class do you go to? Tell me Which class you go to? The answer will be tell me which class you go to. Let's see question number E. Which pen are you using? The answer will be tell me which pen you are using. Again, I am repeating the answer of E. Tell me which pen you are using. Let's see question number H. Who are the two strangers? Who are the two strangers? So the answer will be tell me who the two strangers are. Again, I am repeating the answer of question number H. Tell me who the two strangers are. So like this, you all have to practice. Hope you all can do it these exercises nicely.